Should I cover the turkey with foil while it cooks in the oven?
Hello, and welcome to our cooking tips session. Today, we'll be discussing a very common question. Should I cover the turkey with foil while it cooks in the oven? Cooking a turkey is a central part of many holiday celebrations, but achieving that perfect, golden brown, juicy bird can sometimes be a challenge. Fear not, we're here to help.
What is the role of foil in cooking a turkey?
Foil plays a crucial role in controlling the cooking of your turkey. Covering the turkey with aluminum foil creates a kind of oven within your oven, which helps to retain heat and keep the turkey moist. However, if you keep the foil on throughout the entire cooking process, your turkey might not get that golden brown crispy skin everyone loves.
So, should I cover my turkey with foil?
The best method to get a perfectly roasted turkey is to use a combination of both, foil and no foil. Start the cooking process without the foil to allow the skin to brown. Once the turkey has reached the desired color, usually after the first 1 to 2 hours of roasting, cover the breast with foil to prevent it from drying out. This way, the skin will be browned and crispy, but the meat will remain juicy and tender.
Any additional tips?
Absolutely. Remember to baste your turkey every 30 minutes to an hour. This will keep the meat moist and add flavor. Also, consider investing in a good quality meat thermometer. It will help you make sure the turkey is properly cooked. You're looking for an internal temperature of about 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, in the thickest part of the bird. There you have it. To get the perfect, juicy, and crispy turkey, you don't have to choose between covering with foil and not covering. Instead, use a combination of both methods. Start without foil, then cover the breast with foil once the skin is golden brown. Remember, a great meal is always worth the effort, and your loved ones will surely appreciate the perfectly cooked turkey at your holiday table. Thanks for tuning in and happy cooking!